screwdrivers, Phillips, flat. Just doing the gun here to tighten up the clamps. And crescent wrench. Our toilet. Start. Turn the water off. One thing about Alliance, they put valves on everything. Got this, the sink. So turn the water off here. Right there. Turn like that. Get the back part off here. And then we can start knock that off. And screw the back. That's pretty simple because we got plastic nuts up underneath here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the plastic nuts under there, it doesn't move around. I'm going to tighten it up. Okay, so now I'm going to take this all off here. Let's make sure we got the water off. Okay, the water's off. Cool. I'm going to pull this out here. Just pull it right out like this. Wiggle it out a little bit at a time. We're going to pull too hard. Wiggle it out. Wiggle it out. And let's see if we got any water in there. Oh, a little bit of water. Okay, we got that out. Came with a new gasket here. New gasket right here. New gasket. Came with a new gasket. Okay, now I got some pliers here. Try to take this thing here off there. Pull that right off of the tube here. Okay, got it off. Take this one here, right, and throw it. We don't need that one. It's got a part that drops down here for the hose to the sprayer. So put this on here. It came with a little metal bracket. Got two different size holes. The bigger size holes goes on here. And this turns up around there. And then the other one goes in here. A new hose clamp. We'll put that down in here. So that one will fit in there. And then we'll put this right here. And all the way up there. Don't want it leaking. Okay. Yeah, let's take the old out. Let's take the old right out here. It just pops right out. Yeah, okay. Okay, it's just not much water. Gotta make sure you turn the water off. We're gonna put the new gasket in here. I can see that right there. It's got about 3 or 4 foot hose. Put that through in here. Here, but you gotta make sure you put it in the hose clamp for that one too. For that one there, you gotta have a hose clamp on there. Wiggle the hose right up into there. Okay, I've got them all in there. Got the other hose clamp right here. Tighten everything up. This in before I tighten everything up. You can't see what I'm doing. Oh, I gotta push it in all the way. Okay. How far in with the other one? The other one's in about. Continue wiggling it in there. Keep wiggling it. Okay. Okay, my mark is now, you can kind of see my mark with it, but it's in there over there. Okay, that's it. Now we tighten everything up and should be good to go. Now a little screw down here, I just took out the little bits and then I can just put it right on here. Make sure the hose is up. You want to make sure everything's up there as far as it goes. Like the hose here, all the way up to here, and then this one all the way up to here. Little screw gun here to tighten it up. Yeah, I think you can use a screwdriver. If you don't have one of these guns, just a screwdriver. And it just, our little socket. Tighten it right there. There on it. But I'm glad I didn't have to do that because I had enough room. That should be it. Now, sprayer here. Hold, you gotta push the thing down though still. Get water, but then there's your sprayer. Spray whenever you get on there. Now, sometimes you get RVs, they don't usually have the best water pressure on the toilet. See here, you know, sometimes the toilet paper gets stuck and you try flushing, you just let it go. And now you got a sprayer, you just go. There you go. Works it around the side. And there's your sprayer. Okay. And now we're gonna put the bracket like right in here. The toilet here. About a foot above the toilet, we're gonna put the bracket. Maybe even reach it. Spray it. And let's put that bracket on the wall. Came with a little bag of screws and things here. I'm probably just gonna use the screws for now. Back there, so I'm just gonna use the screws. So let's just screws on the wall and a little bracket here. And there we go. Bracket like right here. Right there. Let's put it there. So there's the toilet mount. There's the toilet. So we'll put like right here. That's about 6 inches to a foot. Still out of the way, but that's where we're gonna put it. Okay, now let's finish tightening up these screws. Kind of level, huh? Now it's good to go. So that's right there. And put everything back in there. If you have a Dometic toilet tank, self-shutting lid, it's got all this extra stuff on it. It fits right in the holes there. And screw them in. Put the backs up here. The back things right up here, go up underneath. Easy. Make sure you don't tighten it too tight. Okay. Put the little caps back on here. Right into here. One more. And lined up. There we go. Now we're done. Okay, now it's gonna look like it's done. So all the mesh you've got, a little water back there. I'll wipe that up. Thanks for watching. Even if it's a crappy job. Have a great day. You gotta hold your foot on the lever like you always do, just a little bit. And then you got a sprayer. Yeah.